Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello with Asana step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. In a new tab, open the Asana website. Log in to your Asana account. Once you are logged into both accounts, head over to the Trello board you want to connect to Asana. Click on the board menu in the upper right corner. Select Power UPS from the drop-down menu. In the Power UPS directory, search for Asana. Click on the Asana Power-Up and then select Add. Next, authorize Trello to access your Asana account by clicking Allow. Once connected, you will return to your Trello board. Now, locate a card on your Trello board where you want to link it to Asana. Click on the card to open the card detail view. Scroll down to the Asana section within the card. Select the option to link the Trello card to an existing Asana task or create a new one. If linking to an existing task, search for the specific task in Asana. Click on the task you wish to connect. If creating a new task, fill out the required fields to set it up. Once you've confirmed the linking, the Trello card will now show the Asana task reference. Repeat these steps for any additional cards you wish to link to Asana. Now, to view the Asana tasks from Trello, click on the Asana section on each card. You should see details of the linked tasks within the Trello cards. To manage tasks more effectively, you can add comments and modifications directly through Trello. Regularly review and update both platforms for seamless project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.